Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So we're talking about weeks 12 and 13, right up through the Thanksgiving holiday break. In week 12, we have a couple of discussion boards, and I'll cover those in a second. And also, I don't have anything assigned over the Thanksgiving break. However, if you check the schedule, the first draft of the research essay is due on November 28th. So let me get to the module here. I just want to comment quickly that everybody did a great job with the dialogue with Dave. Just keep in mind and keep asking these questions. The so what and who cares questions is to start thinking about how this great information affects people and how it works in the society. Now, in the chapter 4/week 12 unit, everyone should take a good note of principles of citation. How do we go about using and citing sources? I've also got to have a resource video at the end of this particular page, information about working with sources, and there may be more coming with that. Actually, I have here is the formal research essay assignment. So all of this work you have been completing throughout the course of the semester on your research topic between the annotated, the dialogues with Dave, the double entry journals, and the upcoming discussion boards 15 and 16 all point toward the research essay assignment. I have an example in the instructions here for the research essay assignment. I also have an instructional video. I think it's about 7-8 minutes talking about it. It is an older version of the instructional video, but in reviewing it, it's still appropriate for this particular course. So you want to take a look at that video. Here, it's pretty straightforward on the assignment. It's a research video. Minimum of 6 sources. MLA guidelines are all laid out there as to what we're looking for here. So I want to make sure everyone is aware of this particular assignment and all the criteria that makes up this assignment. I don't need to go through it line by line. Now, discussion board 15 is exercise 4.3, where Ballinger asks you to write the 3 leads. And basically, the criteria here is that you actually write the leads like they would appear in your draft. This gives you the opportunity to take a test drive on 3 different leads. The purpose here is to see which one you like and which one fits your topic better. And when I say, please write the actual leads, I'm asking you to write those. I don't want you to tell me which one you're going to use. I want you to actually write the physical lead. So if you've got something you like, you already have the introduction for your first draft of your research essay. So this is an important activity here. The next activity in discussion board 16 is connecting and synthesizing information. You all have some wonderful information that you have researched and reported on your research topics. Now it's how do you go about connecting all those source material and putting it together into the academic conversations. So in this particular activity, I'm looking for all of you to use these quotes or paraphrases you have come up with in the double entry journal and see how you can build around those and provide probably 2 or 3 paragraphs, including some sourcing, quotations and paraphrases in and around those particular synthesis paragraphs there, all right? The video on the quote sandwich is pretty good on how you can develop that using your source information. Also, too, if you do, if you are able to accomplish this particular activity, this material can be actually used in your first draft for the research essay assignment, right? So these is 2 activities that will actually benefit you. Let me get to here the first draft instructions. Now this is going to be due November 28th, as it says here. All of the MLA criteria is listed. I'm looking for a comfortable length for the first draft, 6 to 7 pages, 2,000 to 2,500 words of text, and then an additional page for your works cited. Remember, works cited pages do not count into the word count. So I would like everyone to think about the first draft here as you're writing and preparing to write discussion boards 15 and 16 and how those can work for you. I will review this draft and offer feedback, and then a copy of your draft will head over to the discussion board for the peer review process, and I'll have more on that as we approach the due date. I hope this gives you enough of overview over what we have for on the schedule for the next 2 weeks. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.